I'm Poojaa and this is Rosie Riveters. So today we're going to be learning about some of the properties of water, mainly capillary action, and at the end of the activity we'll be making a cool craft using the results of our experiment, which you get to keep. So what is a property? A property is the way something looks, feels, acts. So what are some of the properties of water? So water has some physical properties which can be seen in all liquids, such as taking the shape of whatever container it's in, but it also has some special properties. So one property of water that we're going to see in today's activity is called capillary action. Capillary action is when a liquid travels up a tube or a small space. So if it's traveling up, what force might make it difficult to do this? Gravity. Gravity holds everything down on Earth, and it's the reason we aren't floating around right now. So how is the liquid traveling up the tube against gravity? Water does this through something called adhesion. Adhesion is how water molecules stick to other surfaces and substances. This is how water sticks to the inside of a straw. When adhesion is stronger than gravity, the liquid is able to travel up the tube. So what are some ways we might be able to see this in real life? Well, one of the biggest ways that capillary action is used is in the roots of plants. Plants use capillary action to bring water up to their leaves from their roots, but we can't really see this. Actually, we can through the experiment that we're going to do. So the materials that we're going to need for the experiment are food coloring or liquid watercolors, 6 carnations or any white flour. We're going to need a popsicle stick or toothpick to stir, 6 glasses, water, paper towel, paper, and we want a microwave safe plate. Start out by adding equal amounts of water to 6 glasses and putting red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple food coloring to them. So as you can see here, we've added the food coloring and we've mixed it, and it's in rainbow order. So next we're going to take one of the carnations and we're going to cut the stem at an angle, so like this. We put 1 carnation in each of the glasses and we're going to wait a couple hours to see the carnations change color. So as you can see right here, it's been about 24 hours since we first put the carnations in the glasses and the color has traveled up to the petals from the stem. How do we know capillary action has taken place? Since the carnations were white and now they have color in them, the color must have came from the water that they were in. This means that the capillary action caused the water to travel up the stem to the petals. What kind of scientists do you think study the concepts we talked about today? Biologists and chemists. Biologists will look closely at the parts of the plant, like the roots, to understand what's going on, and chemists understand the molecular properties of the things around us. They look at the water at the molecular level and understand why water has properties such as adhesion, capillary action. Now we're going to do something to always remember this activity, and that is to dry the carnations so that they stay like this for a long time. Make sure that the carnations are completely dry before starting this process. So first we're going to start out by folding a piece of paper in half, and then we're going to take one of the carnations and place it inside the piece of paper as flat as possible. We're going to press it down. Next we're going to take a paper towel and you're also going to fold this in half, and then you're going to take your piece of paper with the carnation in it and place it inside the paper towel. Now you're going to put the paper towel and the paper with the carnation inside the microwave, and you're going to put a microwave safe plate on top of it and microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So you can put the flowers in a photo frame like this and just hang it up around the house.